To show you the 2018 BMW X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.